All right, look at my woodpecker. Hey, buddy. What are you doing? Got my little chickadee. Hey, buddy. Can you see? Hey, buddy. Go ahead. How you doing? Eat your suet. Cute little buddy. Hey, little chickadee. Wow. Look at all the chickadees. Pretty cool. All right, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to replace one of my bird feeders. It's kind of falling apart. If you watched one of my videos, one of my earlier videos, that I had a bear here and he trashed one of my bird feeders, and I cobbed it back together, but now it's really falling apart, so I want to replace it. Yeah, I don't know. It's this blue one right here. Hey, little chickadee. The little, what do you want to call it, perch there is broke now. You know, I had to cob the cable back on there, so anyway, I want to replace that one. It's falling apart. I picked up this other one. If you're interested, link will be in the description below. It was cheap. It's not metal, it's plastic. But right here. I think it can hold up to, I don't know, 3 pounds maybe, something like that. I don't remember what it said. 3 pounds. And it's got a little bit of a bigger perch. I have a lot of chickadees that are like right there, chickadees. Look at these. Oh, and I don't even know what that one is. That bird is theirs, but hey, buddy, look at you. I'm gonna feed you. I got a lot of chickadees that come. I got a lot of what do you got? Nuthatches or whatever you call them. I also have some finches that come and stuff, and I got a couple cardinals. I have a lot of blue jays that come too, but I wanted something with a little bit bigger of a perch so they can, you know, whatever, but sit on here. So I'm gonna fill this up. Let's go. I'm gonna take this blue one down though. I'll be back, buddy. Let's just take this paper off here. All right. I'll set it on the ground. All right. So all you got to do is just squeeze this here and that. All right. Let's get my seed. I got sunflower seeds. They really love it. There we go. Got it filled up. I like feeding my little birdies and watching them. Used to have dogs. Don't have dogs anymore, so I've been feeding the birds. Spend my money on feeding the birds and a couple chipmunks here and there. So until I'm able to get another dog again, the birds are going to be my pets for now. So let's check this out. Here we go. Now let's wait and see if they come. Chickadee dee dee dee. Chickadee dee dee dee. Go over to the other one, baby. hey, go to the other one. Go check it out. Yeah. I don't know what's coming in here, but anyway, I got that from Tractor Supply. Link will be in the description below. Cheap. I think it holds like 3 pounds or whatever, or feet or whatever. I don't like to spend a lot of money on the bird feeders because, you know, you never know if they're gonna get trashed again. There we go. There they are. Oh. Well, you didn't last long. Huh? Go ahead. There we go. Chickadee dee dee dee. Wrong one. Go get the other one. Anyway, that's the bird feeder. So if you're interested, link will be in the description below, like I said. Look at all the chickadees. Now you come as soon as I turn the camera around. Look at you. Let me check. Look at them. Oh, as soon as I turn the camera back around, there you go. You're on the wrong ones. There you go. Chickadee dee dee. There they go. Okay. Like I said, link in the description. And you know what to do, hit all those buttons. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.